This is exercise 31.4.3a, creating regions, and we'll include exercise 31.4.3b, using regions to create holes. I'm in the cabin drawing file in the steps less than 31 folder. I have changed my view so that I can see the other front wall of my cabin. I'm going to change the thickness of these front walls to 0. Clear my grips. Thaw my marker layer. You can see the nodes that I'll be working with. I will make sure that my running OSnap node is set, and it is. I'm going to set my thickness to a -5.5, and I'm going to draw polylines for my windows. Notice that my current UCS enables me to draw these polylines, showing the thickness in the direction that I want it to appear. Okay, let's reset our thickness back to 0. Remember, we always have to remember to reset that thing. Now we're going to use a polyline to draw the outline of the outer walls. We'll start with the polyline command. Using my polar tracking, we will make our door 6 feet 8 inches. I'm going to use my object snap tracking to locate the other side of the top of my door. From here, go up to where we intersect, come down, come across, whoops, come across to our there, and then close it. Okay, now we have the outline of our door and the outlines of our windows. We're going to use the region command to convert our polyline into a wall. We can enter REG, we can enter region, or we can go to our closed objects palette and select the region button. AutoCAD asks me to select an object. I will select the wall, and it's now a region. Okay, we can freeze the marker layer because we don't need it anymore. We don't need our markers anymore, like so. And let's move the UCS icon to this corner here. Okay, and we will start now with the boundary command. Alright, our boundaries, remember, you can create a boundary without losing the objects that define the boundary, whereas you cannot create a region without losing the objects. Okay, we'll say boundary, and we will select our 4 windows, like so. Now we have several boundaries, but you still can't see through the windows. So let's move on to exercise 31.4.3b, and we will use the subtract command. You can enter the word subtract, or you can just type in SU. Alternately, you can go to the union flyout and select subtract. AutoCAD wants to know what I'm going to subtract from. I'm going to subtract from this. And now it wants to know what I want to subtract. So let's subtract each of our boundaries from our region. And there you have it. You can see through your windows now. You even have windowsills all set up for you. Save your drawing, and you're finished.